Welcome to my channel. I want to show you another home remedy again, and this one is very good and it's nice. This palm wine, can see guys, you guys can see this palm wine that them now is from village. Them brought it for me from village. It's full of this water, bottled water. So we have take some inside. You know, palm wine is very good in the body, and again, especially women that put to bed. Do you know why it's good for women that put to bed? You make they permit make their breast milk, enough breast milk. If woman that put to bed taking palm wine, original one, is not all those ones that they are doing inside town here. Original palm wine that came from village. If woman put to bed and taking it always, don't take it too much because it's sharp. You take it always, I swear, the breast milk, enough breast milk for that baby. So there are people that lack breast milk, that maybe they put to bed, maybe their breast didn't have milk. So they will advise them to drink palm wine. So if you are taking palm wine always, especially in the night when you want to sleep, take enough, because that one, if you drink it, you just sleep. So if you take enough in the night, in the morning, if you wake up, if that baby dey suck breast throughout that night, in the morning you wake up, you see how your breast will full of milk. It's very good. And again, it's good for eye problem. If you are taking it always, original one, it's not all this fake one they are doing inside town. If you are taking original palm wine, see that one where they under this one is a clear eye. If you are taking it always, you clear eye. If you are having eye problem, this is that they settle under the palmy. Somewhere you know the value of it. If they are taking palmy, the one that will remain under the glass, they will take it separate because they know the work of it. A clear eye. If you have eye problem, that in clear eye. If you are using glass, if you are taking that in always, you stop using glass. You see the work of it. You stop using glass. And again, it pursuing malaria for body. Maybe you have malaria and all these things in your body, and you are taking it always, you won't have that problem of malaria. I'm talking of original palmy. You have fake palmy. This one came from village direct. It's my mom that sent it to me when my daughter-in-law put to bed. It's the one that sent it to me. So it's 2 bottles like this. I give her one, and you know me, I like palmy, and I took one. So that's why I want to share it with you guys, so that if you don't know, may you know that palmy is very good in a woman that put to bed. It make breast milk enough. So if the woman take it always, to help her get enough breast milk. And again, a clear eye. If you're having eye problem, if you are taking it always to clear your eye, you won't have problem of this using glass, of you didn't see where you are using glass and all those things. You won't have problem of all those things again. If you are taking original one, so original one I'm talking about. If you want original one, you send to the village. It's only village you can get original palm wine. It's only village. All those ones they are selling inside town here, I'm not too sure of it. So if you see the original one, see this one, you see the original one, see how it go foam and to not too sweet. When you are drinking it, it's like it have bitter taste. No be all this one you drink, all your mouth will be sweet, your throat will be sweet, as if they pack the whole sugar in this world put. No, this one no get any taste. If you didn't get mine, can't take it because it's strong and again it get bitter taste. So if you are taking it, you know the difference between village palmy and town palmy palm wine. You know the difference. If you are the person that drink palm wine well, and you drink palm wine for village, you call town drink palmy for town, you know the difference, that the difference is clear, that it's not the same. So I advise you guys to try it. Can see, put it in your glass, can see how pure white it be, pure white it be. So when you put it in your glass, you drink it. Like woman that put to bed, one glass is okay for her. Can take one glass, it's okay for her. To work for her and to enjoy the palm wine, and her breast milk will be full, and it will not lack, the baby will not lack that no milk in the breast, because the palm wine to help her get enough, even though you are taking other things like tea or other things, but this is the best. I'm telling you, this is the best that give you breast milk sharp. This is the best. So I advise you guys to, when your wife or your sister, your any of relative put to bed and then complain about breast milk, please send to the village and get palm wine for her to help her get enough breast milk. So that is all for palm wine. It's just a short video that I'm showing you guys. I'm just share some things, some secret things with you guys. I know I love you and you people love me. So anything that I see, I'll share it with you guys, because we are like family. Cannot hide anything with you guys, because I love you guys and you guys to love me. That's why I'm sharing some things with some secret with you guys, so that you help you or your sister, your cousin, any of your relative to help you. So that is all for palm wine. Let me test it, because me, I love palm wine. Wow, e bitter small, e no sweet o, nothing, e no get taste, no sweet, because nothing like sugar inside. No be some wey you drink go dey feel, all your mouth go dey sweet, your throat go dey sweet. This one no get that taste. Na real palm wine. If you are drinking it, instead of sweet, na bitter taste e go dey give, and it's strong. This is how the palmy supposed to be. So thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share to your loved one, to your friends, to your family. Don't forget to share it to them. And don't forget to thumbs up my video. I appreciate you guys. As I say, I love you so much. This new year is our year. See you in my next video. Bye.